Good morning everyone. I can't guarantee it, but I think the princess, the daughter, the two grandkids and the son-in-law are on that train. But I can't guarantee it. But what I did find, because I didn't know it was here, I'll say here instead of here, is wheelchair accessibility, ideal for a pram. Sorry, there will be no Thai talking on this version. And Mike is on the train with the princess, who's had an amazing hairdo. Don't know how it's going to wash when it gets hot. I don't mean as in with soap, I mean overheat. But it's her hair, it looks amazing. It's made it look about 21. And she's only 25 anyway. So, it's been ages since I've done the train video. I want to move back to none to that. I love trains, mate. I don't know what carriage they're on because they haven't told me. This doesn't stop in Montserrat because it's the sleeper. No idea what part of sleeping in. I can't afford the sleeper. I don't like the sleeper. I don't know how much it is. I'll take it up when I know, but not for me. I like the good old fashioned wooden seats. Somewhere on this extremely long train from Bangkok going to Nong Khai. It's the family who I will say I've missed desperately because it's on video. So what I'll do is and as usual, I'll say, oh no, is it going to fit? Is it going to fit? Well, every time I get on one it doesn't fit. And as per usual, it doesn't fit. I don't recognise that suitcase. So I'll walk down this way. Haven't seen a pram yet.
Attention please. Welcome to Udon Thani Station. Please check your belongings before leaving the train. The State Railway of Thailand appreciates your choosing.
I hope I've got this day right. Hang on, I'm not spinning around, people are being complaining. Complain about my accent as well, but it's a famous movie, fantastic musical, and I'm not apologising because I am what I am. You can take the man out of Liverpool, but it's difficult to take a Liverpool out of the man, especially at my age, which is the pensioner age. Nope, I can't see it now. I might have got the date on.
ขณะนี้ทางสถานีอุดรธานีให้สัญญาณปล่อยกับรถด่วนพิเศษขบวนที่ 25 จอดเทียบในชานชาลาที่ปลายทางสถานีไทย
The problem is she's had her hair done, so I won't recognise her. Sorry, I've got no mic, got to shout. I think I see a pram. I've seen a pram. See loads of sugar. I recognise the bag. I don't recognise the haircut, but I recognise the bag. And often on Khai they go. I don't know if it crosses over. Talking about doing a crossing with the bullet train. Yeah. All the lines are going in. All the bridges are going in. What's this? My phone will ring now. Get out of here! Oh yeah. Hang on.
ผมทราบในทางสถานีการและกระจายก่อนขบวนรถท้องถิ่นขบวนที่46เพื่อทางสถานีต่อไปทางสถานีก็จะถึงมาออกจากสถานี
Oh, she wants to do her own video.
ขบวนรถที่ออกจากสถานีอุดรธานีแล้วจะมีรับส่งผู้โดยสารที่สถานีหนองกว้างเป็นสถานีต่อไปครับ
Hello! Welcome to Thailand! Hello! Long time no see! Hello, little guy. How was the train? Do you like trains?
Yeah, just speak, yeah.
Do you like trains? He's not speaking? Why aren't you talking?
You can go. Wow, wow.
You don't want to talk to us? Hello?
Hello. It's been a while.
Where's Mum? Hello? Welcome to Thailand.
I like it. Outfit.
Recognise you? Recognise the bag? God, what have you been eating on? Your hair hasn't half grown since you got started and since you went to Bangkok. You'll have to talk Thai, I'm talking English.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Sweaty cup.
ตอนนี้มาถึงแล้วนะคะ
Why are you saying hello? I'm just talking to people. Right then, I'll turn this off and you can just join them together because I've been videoing when the train comes. Say bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye.
You haven't got to turn it off, I will. Bye.